Hello. Today we are reading a book on no hitting. So the name of the book is No Hitting Henry, Don't Hurt by Lisa Regan. Hello, Henry. Henry is feeling cross. When he gets angry, he sometimes hurts other people. He doesn't mean to hurt, but he just feels so upset. Follow Henry as he finds himself in tricky situations in which he must learn to stop hitting and choose to stay calm. You choose too. Stay calm, Henry. Let's see what is happening. Henry and his big brother Ben are playing hide and seek. What are they playing, Samiksh? What are they playing?
Hide and seek.
Okay, so who is cheating? Ben is cheating. Look here. Ben is cheating. What is he doing? He's opening his eyes and he's looking where Henry is hiding. Henry is hiding behind the car. Ben is cheating and it's ruining Henry's game. What should Henry choose to do? What should he choose to do? Should Henry burst into tears and kick the car? Should he do that?
No.
No. Tell Ben he won't play anymore if he cheats? Or fight his brother? Should he fight with his brother Ben?
No.
No. What should he do? Henry choose B. B. What does he choose?
B.
B. Tell Ben. He tells Ben that he won't play anymore if he cheats. Sometimes you can make things much better by staying calm. You should stay calm when you are feeling upset. Telling people how you feel can fix a problem. Hitting and punching just makes things even worse. Yes? Now next, let's see what situation is in Henry. Be brave, Henry. Henry is watching a group of children having lots of fun. There are so many children having lots of fun. They're playing. But Henry is not. Henry feels the children are leaving him out of their game. Henry is feeling left out because they are not playing with him. What should Henry choose to do? What should he choose to do? Should Henry kick one of the children?
No.
No. Should he spoil their game?
No.
No. Should he ask the children if he can join in?
No.
Yes, he should
Yes.
ask. So Henry choose
C.
C. What did he choose? He should ask. He can ask the children if he can join in. Bad feelings can make you want to kick and punch to show other people that you are hurting inside. This also makes other people feel bad. When you are upset, what should you do? Try to be nice, and that will make you feel happier too. Yes, instead of keeping your bad feelings inside, what should you do? You should try to be nice. Instead of showing it to others, you should feel nice. You should stop feeling bad about them. Yes, and that will make you feel happy too. Now next, let's see. Ask for help, Henry. Amit has taken the toy train that Henry was playing with. What did Amit do? He snatched away Henry's train. That's not fair. It spoiled Henry's game. Now Henry is very upset. What should Henry choose to do? What should he choose to do? Should Henry tell a grown-up? Should he snatch the toy and run away?
No.
Should he pinch Amit to make him give the toy back to Henry? Should he pinch Amit? No. Should he tell a grown-up?
No.
Yes, he should tell a grown-up. So, Henry choose.
A.
Yes, pinching will hurt others. What will happen if you pinch others? It will hurt them and get you into trouble. So when you're upset, what should you do? count to 10 quietly to give you time to calm down. Then tell a grown up. Grown up means you should tell your grandmom or your mommy or your papa or your uncle that what has happened, that someone has taken away your toy. You should tell them. Okay, you should not take it in your own hands. You should not pinch or hurt others. Now let's see next. Be helpful, Henry. Dad wants Henry to walk nicely around the shops instead of running off. What is Henry doing?
My God.
What is Henry doing? He's running away in the shops. Oh. But it's so boring at the shops. Henry's feeling bored at the shop. So what should he do? What should he do? Should he whack Dad and cause a scene? Should he scream and cause a scene in the shop? No. Should he sit on the floor and refuse to move? No. Hold Dad's hand and ask if he can help to choose the food they buy? Yes. So Henry chose C. Doing grown-up things can be boring. Yes, but if you smack and kick, it just makes things worse for everyone. Imagine how you would feel if someone smacked or hit you. Yes? So you should offer help. And you should help elders in their work, in their grown-up things. Yes? Then talk about it, Henry. Janeka has pushed in front of Henry in the lunch queue. There is a lunch queue. And what did Janeka do? She pushed Henry aside. That's not allowed. Henry feels angry with Janeka. Now, what should Henry choose to do? What should he do now? Should Henry tell Janeka she needs to join the end of the queue? Jab his tray into her back until she moves again. Oh no, he's jabbing his tray. Should he do this? No. Should he push her out of the queue? No. What should he do? He should tell Janeka that she needs to join the end of the queue. So Henry chose A. So it's okay to feel cross. It's okay to feel cross and angry when somebody else is not fair. So you should learn to explain how you feel. You should not scream, you should not push, you should not shout, or you should not hit them. What should you do? You should learn to explain to them that I did not like it. Can you please do it this way? I would like you to move aside. Yes? That way you won't get into trouble for hitting and hurting others. Okay? Well done, Henry. Hey, look at Henry. Now he can make all the right choices. He's feeling much happier. Did you choose the right thing to do? If you did, big cheers for you. If you choose some of the other answers, try to think about Henry's choices so you can stop yourself from hitting and hurting next time. Then it will be big smiles all around. And remember, don't hit, okay? It